Hi, all curious minds. I just want to record a quick video about demo guide. And if you are in IT, you probably want to lock your versions. Today, the story behind this video is today I had a project fit interview, and I was like, okay, I don't know how much time I'm going to have, but maybe they will ask me some previous projects I worked on or anything special technology I use. So I figured, well, I have a quite interesting blog now. I could show them how it works, what technologies I use on it, but here comes the demo guide. So let's have a quick look on my site code. So let's see. Here are some projects I use, and my site is located at zoltantoma.com, and here you can see the end result. So when I'm working on this, basically the blog posts are just simple markdown files located inside of the content folder. Here are the posts, and you can see they are just simple markdown files. Okay, but when I want to, tweak how it looks, see the end result, I use a local development environment to do so. And for this, I use Docker with Docker Compose and Tilt. With Tilt, I can do this. Tilt up. It will start a local client. If I recall correctly, Tilt is also written in Go. And it will start a service on my computer. If I press the spacebar, it will open the Tilt UI in the browser. And here I see my blog container did not start. If I try to have a look at it, I see it failed to run the Hugo binary. Okay. So the quick fix is just go to my Docker file. It's nothing extreme. And I will add a version to it. Yeah. Maybe it's this one. Now I change the image. No, it's not this one. It has probably another 0 at the end. And if you can see, I made a change in my Docker file, and Tilt is on the other side. Try to locate the correct image and rebuild it. I probably mistyped the package version. Alpine. Let's see the tags. Demo guide, like I said. Okay, just a sec. Yeah, I just misspelled the version. So this project has no major version. So it's just 0. And this way I lock my image to this version. And now you can see my local blog is available. What I also like in Tilt is not like in a Docker Compose manner. I need to run it, try to figure out which port is in use and where my services are. Here are just a link, and I can click on it, and now it will bring up my website locally. So if you have something useful information about this project, you can check it on my GitHub page. I will leave a link in the description to it. But basically, it's a static website on GitHub. I use Hugo for generating the website code. I absolutely recommend Hugo to use. I use the Hugo Cactus theme. I found this at Nicole Hoeven's website, which is quite awesome. Nicole. You can check out her content. It's very awesome. It's about productivity and Obsidian, working with Obsidian, and many other topics you can find on her blog. But she used this simple Hugo theme as well. For my local development, I use Tilt Dev. If you don't know Tilt, Tilt is Kubernetes for, like it says, Kubernetes for prod, Tilt is for dev. So it makes the local Kubernetes development much more easier. But as you can see, I'm using Docker Compose because one of my projects, my previous projects, I tried to introduce a way how we can switch from Docker Compose to Kubernetes, and Tilt could help in it. And for running I try to say it, so running the images locally, I choose click Hugo, and most of the time it's working greatly. It's just the Alpine image, and I can run it locally. It has a Hugo binary with the extended features in it, and I can generate and see the result locally quite instantly. So thank you all for your contribution to my website. Yeah, and speaking of which website, you should have a website. It's a good thing where you can promote yourself, and it's also a tool for personal marketing. But you may want to be aware of the demo guide. So this was a quick stand-up-like video, and if you like, hit a like or not. If you want to have more details about my workflow and why I'm doing stuff like this, you can ask in the comments. Until then, see you next time. Bye.